All right, let's look at the homework 5.5, problem number 3. All right, so let's use a substitution to evaluate this integral. All right, so I'm going to let u be, right, expression inside the parentheses. So you have 4 plus 9 into e to the r. All right, so this is going to be our u. All right. Then go through the usual drills. Take the derivative with respect to x. So du over dx is going to be derivative 4 is 0. Derivative of 9 e to the r. Actually, again, I made the same mistake. So variable is r in this case. All right, so you have a derivative of 9 e to the r is 9 e to the r. And then take the reciprocal of both sides. So you have a dr over du, which is 1 over 9 e to the r. Then we can multiply through by du to get the dr is equal to du over 9 e to the r. All right, so this is going to be equal to, right, integral. All right, I'm going to leave e to the r as e to the r for now. And then you have a u, raise it to the 3/2 power. And dr is now same thing as du over 9 e to the r. All right, so you can cancel e to the r on top into e to the r on the bottom. Right, then you have a constant here, which is 1 over 9. I can kick this guy out in front of the integral. So this is going to be 1 over 9 integral u to the 3/2 power with respect to u. Right, now this is just the power rule. So 1 over 9 is a constant multiple. Antiderivative is add 1 to the power, which is going to be 5 over 2. Divide by 5 over 2 is equivalent to multiply by 2 over 5 and plus some constant c. Right, so we have 1 times 2 is going to give you 2. And 9 times 5 gives you 45. Right, then u was originally 4 plus 9 e to the r, and raise it to the 5/2 power, and plus some constant c. All right, so let's type it in. All right, so we got 2 over 45 quantity 4 plus 9 e to the r, and raise it to the 5/2 power, and plus some constant c. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.